What's up, everyone? Welcome to Hash and Harvest. Want to give you a late winter farm tour so that you can see what we have going on. First off, we're mining some Bitcoin. It's the heart of the operation, keeping everything warm in here. Nice and quiet in this box, but there's two supercomputers in here hashing away, depositing Bitcoin into my wallet every single day. This makes me about $27 a day, $800 a month. Passive income that keeps the rest of the farm nice and warm. So from here, we're growing some chicks that we're eventually going to move outside. They'll be here for about another month. We have some Rhode Island, actually they're New Hampshire Reds. They come from Rhode Island Reds, but they're New Hampshire Reds and Plymouth Rocks. Really good layers, very cold hardy in this area. They're eating away. We're trying to get them nice and healthy, of course. They have a nice perch for them to sit on. And yeah, they're kind of quick right now. Here are some figs from last year. We propagated these. There's figs from all over the world. We have Italian 258, some from Greece, Verte, Bordeaux Noir. These are in dormancy right now. They're just starting to wake up, have a fluorescent light on them, a little bit of warmth from the Bitcoin miners, and these things will start popping pretty soon. Now in here, we're doing some vegetables. These are our annual vegetables. We have a lot of different melons, heirloom tomatoes, beans. We're doing a lot of different specialty varieties of watermelon, cantaloupe, honeydew melon. We're going to get these started and we're going to be succession planting them. Doing another one in a couple of weeks that will eventually move outside. Keep in mind it's going to be 20 degrees this weekend, so it's crucial that we're heating this place up with the Bitcoin miners. This tent is the fig propagation station. Collecting figs from all over the world. We got them under grow lights, getting them nice and healthy, ready to be transplanted out. We have some of the more rare varieties like Socorro Black, Cotodam Mutante, Del Samwami Grand, White Marseille, Cotodam Gagantina, Smith, White Madeira, Campaneri, a couple that I can't pronounce, and one of the most rare figs in the world is the Black Madeira KK. We're growing these in tree pots. Propagated from sticks that I've sourced from all over the world. These things will be up potted in a couple months. They'll go outside. They'll be on drip irrigation. Some of them will be in root pruning pots. These things are going to look great. Again, mining Bitcoin so that we can eat some food. Thank you for your time, guys. I hope you like and subscribe to the channel. Hope you're growing your own food at home. And if you have any questions, just give me a comment down below. Let me know what we can be doing better. Thanks. Oh yeah, here we go. There we go. There's a chicken. Then here's some of our figs from last year that we propagated. All right, stop the video.
Sorry.